of plants? Question number 1. Define the followings. Number A. Tree. Tall, strong and big plants are called trees. Number B. Shrub. Small but strong plants with thin woody stem are called shrubs. Number C. Herb. Small and weak plants with soft stem are called herbs. Number D. Climber. Plants that need support to grow are called climbers. Number E. Creeper. Plants that grow along the ground are called creepers. Question number 2. Give 2 examples of each. Number A. Tree. Can you tell 2 examples of trees? Yes, mango and neem are 2 examples of trees. Number B. Shrub. Rose and hibiscus are 2 examples of shrubs. Number C. Herb. Mint and coriander are 2 examples of herbs. Number D. Climber. Grapevine and pea plant are 2 examples of climbers. Number E. Creeper. Can you tell 2 examples of creepers? Yes, it's pumpkin and watermelon. Question number 3. Match the followings. The first picture is watermelon and watermelon is a creeper. The next picture is coriander and coriander plant is a herb. Next, grapevine and you know grapevine is a climber. The fourth picture is rose plant and rose plant is a shrub. Next, mango tree and you know it's a tree. Question number 4. Who am I? मैं कौन हूँ? I need support to grow. मुझे grow करने के लिए support चाहिए. Yes, I'm a climber. Number B. I'm a tall, strong and big plant. मैं एक बड़ा and strong plant हूँ. Yes, I'm a tree. Number C. I'm a small but strong plant. मैं एक छोटा लेकिन strong plant हूँ. Yes, I'm a shrub. Number D. I grow along the ground. मैं जमीन पे grow करती हूँ. And you know who am I? Yes, I'm a creeper. Number E. I am a small and weak plant with soft stem. मैं एक छोटा plant हूँ and weak plant हूँ. And you know who am I? Yes, I'm a herb. Number 5. Write T for tree, S for shrub, H for herb and C for creeper for the followings. The first picture is a mango tree and you know it's a tree. And the second picture is coriander plant and you know it's a herb. Next, pumpkin plant, it's a creeper. Then rose plant, a shrub. Next, watermelon, it's a creeper. Then banyan tree, you know it's a tree. Then mint plant, it's a herb. Then hibiscus plant, yes, it's a shrub. Question number 6. Fill in the missing letters to complete the word. Number A. C-I M-R. Can you tell what is the word? Yes, it's climber. C-L-I-M-B-E-R. Climber. Number B. S-R-B. And the word is shrub. S-H-R-U-B. Shrub. Number C. T-E- and the word is tree. T-R-E-E. Tree. Number D. C-E-E. And can you tell what is the word? Yes, it's creeper. C-R-E-E-P-E-R. Creeper. H-B. And what is the word? Yes, it's herb. H-E-R-B. Herb. Question number 7. Fill in the blanks with words given in the box. And what are in the box? Creeper, trunk, trees, climber and shrub. Number A. Tall, strong and big plants are called dash. जो बड़े और strong plant होते हैं उन्हें हम क्या बोलते हैं? Yes, it's tree. Question number B. Dash needs support to grow. किससे grow करने के लिए support चाहिए? Yes, it's climber. Number C. Pumpkin plant is a dash. Pumpkin plant एक क्या है? Yes, it's a creeper. D. The stem of a tree is called dash. एक ट्री का स्टेम को हम क्या बोलते हैं? It's trunk. Number E. Rose plant is a dash. Rose plant एक क्या है? Yes, it's a shrub. Question number 8. State true or false. Number A. Climbers grow along the ground. Climbers जमीन पे grow करते हैं. No, it's false. Number B. Herb is a very big plant. Herb एक बहुत बड़ा plant है. It's false. Number C. Shrub is a small but strong plant. एक छोटा लेकिन strong plant है. Yes, it's true. Number D. The stem of a tree is called trunk. Tree का stem को हम trunk बोलते हैं. Yes, it's true. Number E. Creepers are very strong plants. Creepers बहुत strong plant होते हैं. No, it's false. Next, project work. Collect pictures of different types of trees. Paste them in your scrapbook. अलग-अलग ट्री का पिक्चर कलेक्ट करो और उसे अपनी स्क्रैप बुक में लगाओ. Look here, banyan tree, coconut tree, mango tree and neem tree. Do like this, okay?